everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Scrub Mummy Scrubber and Sponge. I've been seeing this on TikTok and Instagram and even on YouTube of people cleaning their homes, and they use this. So I just wanted to see how great it is against the Marigold heavy duty scourers. These are my favorite metal scourers. I use them for quite a lot of things, and because they're stainless steel and you know they're rust free, so I tend to go for these. But I wanted to see what the big deal is with the Scrub Mummies. Yeah, so the Scrub Mummy, I think it shows you how it works, where it works. So it's scratch free, deep cleaning, dishwasher safe, and versatile, so for cleaning utensils. So yeah, and you can use it in the kitchen, household, bathroom, and for pets. So I've seen the ones for pets as well, but I just want to see how well it works in the kitchen. So today I'm going to be cleaning this oven door, and I just want to see which one of these two is going to be the most effective when cleaning. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let me know which one do you prefer, the Marigold heavy duty scourers or the Scrub Mummies. Which one is your to-go-to product? So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Sorry, I'm just gonna basically take it out of its packaging. Oh, it feels really soft and spongy on the sponge side, and then it feels really like, yeah, I like the little cat design, it's cute. And then the Marigold like this. So let's see which one is the best. I'm going to be using the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner. If you're not new to this channel, you know this is like my to-go-to product. So I'm going to divide this and drop here and then drop here. I've made the products wet, so let's begin. So let's begin with the metal scourer. So what I love about the metal scourer is that, sorry about the terrible lighting, it's kind of a rainy day, so it's but yeah, so what I love about the metal scourer is that it just works really well. Like, I don't know if you can really see. All the dirt literally comes off. Sorry about the lighting again. It's just not a really good day for lighting, but yeah, I just like that it just basically just goes in. You don't have to scrub hard with the metal scourer. It just takes everything off, even the little stubborn ones like this one. But yeah, I don't really have to do a lot. I feel like, I don't know how to describe it. I think it just works really well and everything comes off. That's why I tend to lean towards this. And it collects all the dirt and all the debris, I suppose. All the grease comes off. Everything just comes off. That's why I like it. Right, now on to Meow, the kitty Scrub Mummy. Do like this. Okay. So I feel like the product is also really getting absorbed into the scrubber side, and it's actually like distributing evenly. But I feel like I'm having to put a lot more power and to put a little bit more effort when scrubbing. I feel it's working really well, but it's taking a little bit more effort. It needs a little bit more manpower to get into the stubborn stains, which I have to take off compared to if I was using the Marigold. Maybe I might need a bit more product, I'm not sure. But I feel like it works really, really well. I'm sure it's probably scratch free. The Marigold, I'm not sure. I think it's also scratch free because I've used it quite a few times and I've never really had any scratch problems with it. I've never really had any issues with the Marigold. Or like, it's scratch free on my oven, on oven doors that I've worked on. As you can see, this is what it looks like now. All the product has been absorbed, especially onto the Scrub Mummy. So I'm going to get my microfiber cloth and I'm going to give it a quick wipe and just to see the results of both products so far. As you can see, both look slightly better, well, much better. So they both look so much better compared to how they began, but I'm not sure if you can see over here. There's still a bit more burnt on grease here, just this little area here, and also on here on the side, right here. So both of them do a really good job, but let me continue to do it one more time. So I've given it a quick rinse and to the side, and I'm going to give it a small drop right here, another small drop there. I'm just going to go in again. Hopefully this will eliminate all of the last signs of the burnt on food or burnt on grease in this glass. Okay, now onto the Scrub Mummy, the Scrub Kitty, I don't know, onto this one. Again, I'm really having to really dig deep and scrub this door to make sure every burnt on grease and food has come off. So I find that the Marigold one, I really don't have to put in as much manpower compared to what I have to do with this one, which I'm really struggling. It's not like it's a deep struggle, but for convenience sake, this is the winner. This is cute and it works, it's quite effective, but I don't think it works really well on you know, like really heavy duty grease or heavy duty burnt on food. I just think it's really great for like light work, like light grease and stuff, which is fine, but I really have to put on a lot more effort, especially in this corner. Which, if I'm in a hurry, like everybody is, I would definitely pick the Marigold one. So I'm gonna stick to the Marigold. So the winner between these two, it's definitely the marigold. Cute. I love the design. It's really cute. I think it's really effective and works really well on lighter stuff in the kitchen or in the bathroom. Not heavy duty burnt on grease in the kitchen. So I highly recommend the marigold scourer. I think it works more faster and it dives deep into the grease and the burnt on food. You really don't have to put in as much work. You just, in terms of convenience. Bye, kitty. Right. Gonna get back with my microfiber cloth and I'm just gonna wipe everything off. Okay. So this side has now officially been cleaned. I'm really happy with the results.